Hey, what is up guys? On this video, I will teach you how to create a Google Ads campaign step by step. You want to increase your subscribers, your watch time? Well then, this is the video for you, and I can show you how to create an ads. Without further ado, let's go to my computer. Guys, welcome to my computer. So you are looking at my Google Ads page, okay? So before you get to here, you gotta make a Google Ads account. So I'll probably make a video on that tomorrow. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. So you want to create a campaign, all right, for your business, or you want to gain more subscribers, get more watch time, and you want to reach out more people. So what we're gonna do here, first thing first, we're gonna click the new campaign and then product or brand, click that, and then we're gonna click video. All right, influence consideration, continue. Okay, what I like to do, I scroll all the way down and then I paste the video, copy a link on your YouTube video and paste it right here. So look, so right here is skippable ad stream. Remember, if you're watching YouTube videos, there's a lot of ads, or you could do a video discovery ad, which is they'll place you on top. If there's a mobile phone on the desktop, it'll be on your right hand side. So they place you over here so people can see you while they're watching, or after they're watching, in the middle of something what they are watching. So you'll be right here. You already got a thumbnail, or you can use this one, whatever you wanted. You already got a thumbnail for your video, supposed to be. So this is my thumbnail on this video. So on the headline, let's say create FB page. You want to make it cute, short as possible, because you want to look. If I put create FB page, let's say if I do create Facebook page, easy step. All right, so I click down, they won't be able to see the easy step. So you want to be cute, short and cute. So create FB page. All right, and then on description you can say this is for video discovery. All right, this is not for skippable in-stream ad. So this one is good if you want to get more subscribers, and for business too. If you want to promote your business this way, you can do this. You can play it around. If you want to do skippable in-stream ad, you can do that too. So create FB page description, step-by-step tutorial. Okay, description 3, I can just copy and paste that. So the ad name, we can put like test Facebook ads. Now, so that's what I like to do. So let's say you want to do this skippable ad string. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the desktop. On the mobile phone, it look like that. 70% of YouTube user, they use mobile phone. So that what's gonna be looking like. Okay, let's say you want to do skippable in-stream ad. You'll be on top. Before they watch something, you'll be right there. You can put your URL right here. Okay, call to action, just put subscribe. You can do that on your headline, which is this one. So on the headline, you want also to be short and sweet. Easy tutorial. Okay, see, easy tutorial. So this is what it looks like on desktop. Okay, this is what it looks like on mobile phone, on your cell phone. 70%, guys, 70% of YouTube user are using their mobile phone, using their Android or Apple phone. So then, okay, sorry guys, this is kind of long. So let's say we want to do this, right? What I do is I go all the way on top. Okay, and what I do is I copy this. This is a Control C to copy all the way on top. That's the campaign name. Okay, so now what's the total budget? Do you want to do daily? Or you have a campaign total budget of, let's say, $100. Let's say you want to do daily. If you do daily, there's no end date. If you want to do a campaign total, let's say $20, there's an end date. Okay, so you can put say 4 days. So your total budget is $4 a day for 5 days. So if you want to do daily, let's say daily, you have a budget of $5. That's a good budget right there, $5. All right. And then you could put your language, so English. And then if you want to use keywords, so always, you know, you can do Facebook. Okay, you can do tutorial. You can, you know, how to. Okay, you can do that. You can do keywords. So if somebody trying to look up for how to create, you know, how to. Okay, and then you popped up. Okay, the next one, you can do a placement. Okay, you can forget about this. You want to do placement. Okay, you can do placement on the YouTube channel. Let's say what's the popular channel? Let's say Fox News. Okay, it's populating. See, Fox News got 5.78 million subscribers. You can click that, and then your video will be on that channel all over that place. You can do that too. Okay, and then you can put the keywords too. All right, Facebook tutorial. You can do that. Okay, so here's the important part of it. So how much bid you wanna put in? How much money? So I always put 0.06. Okay, and then on the right hand side it will tell you the impressions. It means 6.4 thousand people gonna see these ads. It depends on them how they're gonna respond. Okay, the views, it's between this, guaranteed. Okay, so if you put 0.06, the average click per view will cost you 0.03 cents. Okay, got it? You can make it like 0.02. Okay, it will change everything. But you don't want to go low because people, you know what I mean, bidding on keywords. So you want to go high as 0.06 per click per view. All right, so that's pretty much it. And then what you're gonna do, you go to the bottom. Okay, you go to the bottom, then you create your campaign. All right, continue your campaign, and then it'll take like up to like 24 hours before they approve this. All right, so you just come back later, or it depends. Sometimes it takes them like 6 hours. Max is 24. Should be popping up. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and thank you for watching. Peace.